Hello students. Now we discuss the three important things, that is converse, inverse and contrapositive, and it is only applicable in implication. It is not applicable in the remaining connectives. Only one connective, that is what? Implication. That is also called the conditional. P implies Q. It is applicable only in P implies Q, and each one carry 1 mark. So it is very important to find the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the conditional statement. So conditional statement, that is P implies Q. It is what? P implies Q. P implies Q. What will be the converse? So first thing is what? Converse. Converse. Converse means इसका उल्टा कर देना है, रिवर्स कर दो आप. So P implies Q का converse हुआ Q implies P. Q implies P. Now the second thing is what? Inverse. Inverse करना. तो what we do, इस implication में जो original statement है उसमें हम लोग negation डाल देंगे दोनों जगह पर. Negation P, negation Q. So it becomes negation P implies negation Q. It will be the inverse of the given statement. Now third one, contrapositive. What we do in the contrapositive? ये जो inverse है अरे converse है, इसमें negation डाल देंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा negation Q implies negation P. So converse, inverse and contrapositive. What will be converse? It is Q implies P. उल्टा कर दिया हमने, Q implies P. What will be inverse? Negation डाल दिया. Negation P implies negation Q. Original statement में negation डाल दिया. In the original statement, we put the negation. Now, contrapositive के लिए जो converse निकाला है, उसमें negation डालेंगे. Converse यानी Q implies P में इधर negation कर दिया, तो negation Q implies negation P. And it is all about the given statement. ये देखो, ये converse है किसका? P implies Q का. P implies Q का inverse, P implies Q का contrapositive. So when we form the truth table, this main statement is equivalent to contrapositive. ये दोनों equal होते हैं, logically equal. Truth table of this and this will be same, and converse और inverse इन दोनों का truth table क्या होगा? Same होगा. So they are logically equivalent. Understood? Okay.